Hello everyone, my name is Parth and today I am showing my assignment in a network and switching subject. First of all, I want to show the assignment topology. Here you can show the whole topology which I have to make in Cisco Packet Tracer. As you can see here, I already created and configure the devices in this topology. So basically in this topology, we have three routers. First is ISP, second is Sydney, and third one is Melbourne. So if you talk about Sydney, Sydney router has the two network. One is for server and security, and the second one is for employee. The server and security one using a static IP addressing, while the second one, which we use for employee, is using DHCP. As you can see here, I already mentioned separately static and DHCP here. So, for first of all, in this DHCP network, uh, as the requirement of this assignment, I can show how it works. So, if I go to PC2, which is employee PC, employees user. So, if we go here and I show IP configuration for the system, as you saw, I already selected DHCP instead of static. So, you will get 10.67.2.11 IP address. So every IP address after 10, like 10.67.2.10, after that we get the IP addresses as we add the system. So for just a practical view, I will show you how it works. So I am taking a new PC to just show in this video. So I'm taking this PC. This is a random PC I'm taking, and I'm taking a cable from here to just take from here. I'm taking this one, and here I'm attaching it to fast Ethernet 0. So as you see, I connected PC5 to switch 2. As this network is using DHCP IP addressing, I will go here and for the desktop. So for this, I will go here, desktop, IP addressing. Right now is a static, so you can't see anything here. But as I select DHCP, it takes some time. So we'll close the window and open again and see how it works. So already we use one IP address which is 0.11. So next one must be 0.12. And for the auth, you add system, you will get 0.13, like devices 0.13, 0.14 IP addresses. So now if I go here and I go configure. So DHCP, I will go static and I check again. See, it's updated here. So 10.67.2.13, and this is how DHCP work. So DHCP is like it's generating IP addressing by itself. So you don't need to allocate IP addressing by as a static as you allocated, as I allocated in here for the server one. So as I told you, I got the 0.13, and if I add a new PC, it will get 10.16.7.2.14 as the IP address. So this is how it works. So I just show you here you can see as well DHCP request successful. So this is how it works. So I'm just deleting now this PC because I added to just show you in this video. So I'm deleting this. So this is in Sydney. And let's talk about second one, which is Melbourne. So Melbourne, we're using a one network, but we have a two LAN. One is VLAN 10 IT and VLAN 20 HR. So and we are here using VLANs. So if you ask like right now, we are as ACL is not already allocated here, not configured here. My PC from VLAN 10 IT and VLAN 20 HR both can ping server PC1. So this is the part of assignment which I can show you here. So like I go here, I will try to ping them. As you see, I tried a lot time. So I try again. So I'm ping. So IP address of PC1 is 10.67.1.3. I'm trying to ping it. And as you can see, my PC from Melbourne, it's the PC3, which is from IT 10, VLAN 10 is able to ping PC1, which is Sydney server. So we have access right now to Sydney server for IT PC, uh, for IT user for this one, VLAN 10. Now we check for VLAN 20. Similarly, I'm going here. I'm sorry for that. Go to prompt, sorry, command prompt. I'm going to ping again IP address same 10.67.1.3, and see here it's also this PC is also able to access Sydney server because it's ping, it's working, right? So, uh, because both the PCs right now able to ping PC1 like Sydney server access my end-to-end connector, I just show my end-to-end connectivity of topology and everything working. And as you can see, every interface in my topology is green. So yeah, so it configure well. So now PC 4 and PC3 both are able to ping right now Sydney server, both having Sydney server access. But as a part of this assignment, I have to put ACL. I have a permission. I have to allocate just permission to ITPC from Melbourne to access Sydney server, not the HRPC, which is PC4. So right now I am putting in a Melbourne router. I am putting ACL configuration to avoid the access, to deny the access of HR user to the Sydney server. So for that, as you see, I did basic configuration already here in for this router. So it asking for a password. Password is Cisco, and I'm putting enable as you saw class. Now for the Melbourne, let's say config T. So right now I am doing configuration for the ACL. So put me now I'm putting code. So like I'm putting the IP address, which is I already take a copy of it here in Notepad to avoid any mistake. That's it. I'm pasting this IP, which I'm want to block to access my Sydney servers. So this I enter, then I provide access list, this list 100. I provide permit to permit like IP many. As you can see, I put it ACL to avoid access, to block the access of HR user for the Sydney server. So I did configuration and build the configuration as you can see here for the Melbourne router. So once this done, we will check again now. As we already checked, both the PCs are able to ping PC1. But after the ACL, what will gonna happen? ITPC, which is VLAN 10 user able to access Sydney server, not the VLAN 20 will not able to access Sydney server. Now we will see it again as we will do same thing again. We first ping IT1. So we do same, we put ping 10.67.1.3, which is the IP address for PC1. And let's say enter. See, my IT working well. My the VLAN 10 user still able to ping my Sydney server. Let's say now VLAN 20 user, which is HR. Let's try that with them. So I'm putting ping again, same 10.67.1.3. See, you can see now it's not reachable and loss is 100%. So as you can see after pinging, my VLAN 20 user HR is not able to ping Sydney server PC1, means they have no access to the Sydney server. So this is the whole agenda of this assignment. First, I show the DHCP how it's working, and then I put a configuration for ACL, and this is how it works. And this is whole my topology, and I show you end-to-end connectivity as well from PC1 to PC3 and PC4, how they are pinging each other and after ACL as well. That's it, guys. And my topology is working well. And every device which have access to the peer access is pinging well. Thank you.